Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to Trade Confident. We're going to be going over ADA today. Hope you guys had a really good weekend. I had a really good weekend myself, and hope it was restful for you guys. Okay, let's go over ADA. Currently sitting over here on the channel at 102 for 102 wins. You guys know this if you've been watching us. We've never lost a crypto trade. I'll show you guys how to get into these trades. Guys, I want to make this clear. You guys know that just because it says 102 over here doesn't mean we're not... this is going to be confusing to some of you guys. Okay, so we take trades on this channel, like all the time. Like every video, we're in a live trade. Like this is a live trading channel. Like we don't, like, I'm not live trading with you guys, but like we are live trading with like $150,000 over here. In every video, we are talking about a trade setup that we're either in, we're getting into, we're exiting, such like that. So if you guys like that, subscribe. haven't told you guys to subscribe for a long time. So those of you who are, that's awesome. Okay, here's the deal, guys. The 102 wins over here are based off the trades that are present on YouTube. But if you guys, like, we injected more money and we bought at lower buy limits. So like, for example, right now on Ethereum, we're up like 14%. On Mana, we're up like 20% this morning on trades. And we can close this right now, and that would easily be like 103 and 104 trades. But I only keep track of over here the trades that have a YouTube video with them. So there's always 100% transparency, so you guys can see what a trade has been taken in the past. Okay. So, anyways, I'll get into more of that. You'll understand all this by the end. I'll show you in the second half of this video how to get into our Telegram channel, how to trade with me, how to get the indicators, all that stuff. So just stick around and we're gonna have a good time. Okay. ADA, guys. Let's just dive in here. ADA is not making its mind up, but this is very interesting what's happening. I told you guys I was going to show you more indicators with the bundle pack, and I'm going to show that to you guys today. So let's go over these three, and then I'm going to whip out one called the pressure gauge, which has never been coded on TradingView before, and it is awesome. I jokingly call it the Jackpot Indicator, which I'll show you guys why it's called the Jackpot Indicator, but you got to promise me, as I show this to you, you're not going to freak out and put all your money into the indicator, because... it's risky, but it calls moves like big pumps really, really well. Okay, what we're seeing here is the trend dashboard. I'm psyching too many people up. I know I am. Probably shouldn't. Trend dashboard here. We're seeing majority of the retail trader indicators here are bearish. So looking at the consolidation pattern that's happening right here, we are in this what's called a symmetrical triangle pattern, and we're looking for a breakup or a breakdown. I'm not even going to try to call this, guys, because it does not matter if it goes up or down. We'll make money basically both ways, okay? If it goes down, we'll get more money into the market with buy limits, and then we'll make more money when it goes up. If we already have money in the market, so we'll make money if it goes up here, okay? I'll show you guys how to get into a trade setup with this today. Look at this, price versus money flow. What we're seeing in here is that we're sitting in the neutral section here. We're not very high. We're not very low. Okay, the trend exhaustion. Now let's look down here. We can see that this is not super high. It's not super low. It is coming from more of a lower perspective, but I want us to look at more data in this video here. We'll go over the metrics here in a second. We'll go over all these metrics here to give us a really good idea of what we're seeing. But right now, this is called indecision. This is the hardest moment for anyone. I don't care if you're a professional trader, you have the highest win rate on all of YouTube. Is it like if someone told me, okay, Travis, you need to tell me, is it going up or down? I don't know. Okay, I don't know. I don't know. But I'll tell you guys how to make money out of it, because isn't that what you really want to know at the end of the day? How do I make money, and how do I keep my account secure? And if it goes down, how do I make even more money? That's what I'm going to show you guys today. That's what wisdom looks for in here, and that's what I'm going to show you guys, okay? So watch this. What I want you guys to just see here, the reason why you guys want these indicators, they're in the description. Guys, get them. They're 82% off. They're ridiculous. These indicators right here are going to help you guys call the tops and bottoms of crypto. When the trend exhaustion is high and the well money flow is high, we're seeing moves back down. Trend exhaustion high, well money flow is high, we're seeing moves back down, okay? We're overextending ourselves when we're seeing these drops, all right? We're seeing this happen over here. Trend exhaustion pushes in the top red section, well money flow high, we're moving back down. It happens time and time again, and this is how we've been able to call these crypto drops over here on ADA. We literally just been watching this. We're like, okay, over here, this was like a big sign. Well money flow got super high over here. Trend exhaustion got very high, completely dropped us into a bear market cycle. Okay, so and then you come over here, you're like, oh man, we've dropped really low here, and the well money flow is low. Oh, funny enough, that's actually when we started to head back up here. You see over here where we're actually starting to see money flow into the market right here while price action's moving down. That's what's called divergence. That's what called the pump over here, and that's how we got the jump of 50%. It jumped 50%, guys. All right, if you think 50% is a lot, let me show you something else here. Take a look at the projections of what we could be coming into in the next couple months. We have jumped from this point 137%, 83%, 71%, 46%, 193%, and recently 50%. So guys, a jump up here of 70 to 80% is not unrealistic whatsoever. This is the absolute most bullish pattern in trading, in my opinion. It's what's called a descending wedge. This here basically goes back and forth like this. It comes here to pressure build so much and it explodes from here. This is why I am so adamant on people like getting money into the market. You want me to prove this to you guys again? Look at the wedge pattern right here. Look at what happened right here. The exact same formation is happening right now on ADA. Why do you not have money in ADA? Okay, I'm not trying to be like rude or arrogant like that, but like this is the pump we got. From a money perspective, when people start seeing this formation right here, where you've got this descending wedge, this is where you guys are going to see a lot of people get into the pressure points and they're like, man, we haven't been going down anymore. So even short traders give up on going short and people give up on selling because they're like, man, there's nothing else to do. It doesn't want to go down any further. So people switch to long trades and it explodes. Seriously, an explosion back up here to $3 in 2020 is absolutely possible. I'm not going to come out here and say $5 or $6. I don't think that's actually possible. I don't think a $5 and $6 is possible for 2022. Sorry, I said 2020. I think $3 absolutely is. Okay, let's take a look though. Let's take a look at this other indicator you guys can get. So it's called the pressure gauge. I coded this pressure gauge, and you guys get this indicator with our bundle pack, and I'll show this to you guys later. But this is awesome. This is basically the RSI indicator with a ridiculous code overhaul in it. Here's what this actually looks like here. So when you guys get bars like this, I'll show you this over here. Do you guys see this move over here that happened on the chart? Like this really fast move up right here. What this does is I actually coded this in here to look for an extremely strict range of consolidation in the market. And it's when consolidation has been steady for a specific time period, a specific amount of bars, where you can get explosions up and explosions down in the price, where people can make tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars extremely fast. Like, I'm seriously, guys, like really, really, really fast. I've had some traders use this and they're like, whoa, they made some like serious cash, like tens of thousands of dollars. Okay, well, look at this over here. Look at this prediction over here. See where this green line came out here? This was saying, okay, watch out, guys. Soon after that, we saw a very fast move back down. We saw that pump up over there. Now what we're seeing over here, which is very interesting with this pressure gauge, is that we've been moving into this area where it's like been consolidation. And we're in the consolidation here. Guys, something huge is coming for ADA. If you do not have money in ADA, like the best thing to do right now is to get a buy limit set up right now with our strategy. I'm adamant about this. Our strategy is going to be the best. Unless somebody's like trying to just duplicate and copy us out there. But our strategy is the best here. I'll show this to you guys and I'll prove it to you, okay? So make sure you guys watch that. This is a really sweet indicator. Real quick, I don't want to go over this too much because I want to go into some more analysis. But you guys can actually set an alert up for this if you guys go to the pressure gauge. I coded alerts for exploding pressure, great pressure, and small pressure. Also, I can't go into this too much. You guys can actually use this as a trading strategy to take profits at the line of a take profit 1 and a take profit 2 at the red lines, and a take profit 2 and a take profit 2 for short trades. All that is explained. Let me show this to you guys real quick, just because I'm on this. The indicators, 82% off. Make sure you guys get this today and you'll get all of our indicators. But watch this video right here under pressure gauge and it'll show you guys everything of how to use that. I don't want to go into too much because I want to get into the analysis today, but watch that. This is our jackpot indicator and it does come with the bundle pack. So don't purchase it individually. You'll actually overpay for it. Just get the bundle pack and it'll save you guys the most money. I mean, you can if you want. That's totally fine. I don't want to, sorry, I didn't mean to make that rude, but like, get the bundle pack. That's the best thing to do. Okay, wanted to show that to you guys because we could be watching some exploding pressure coming very soon. Let's now go over the metrics for ADA, okay? The emotional index right now for ADA is still anxious down here. Like, do you guys see where we've come from? This is insane how much we've dropped. ADA, I think, is my second highest holding coin right now. I believe it is. So we have EOS at about 23,000 and I've got Cardano at 16,000, okay? ADA, guys, is a coin that could explode. And if it's not in your portfolio, I think you're going to be missing out. Now, I'm not trying to push FOMO on this channel. I'm just saying, guys, let's look at the wedge pattern that's forming. Let's look at what's happened in the past. This is one of the greatest setups for a coin that I've seen on any of the top currencies. Any of them. It is ADA, okay? Moving down here for long and short trades here, we are seeing that long trades are increasing just a tad bit, and short trades are actually, evening off, if not maybe decreasing a little bit. Long trades increasing is a bullish sign, okay? Bullish sign. Let's move down. Trades in favor sitting in the neutral section here. So as we're sitting neutral, this means we're in consolidation. This means you want to get a trade set up right now. I'll show this to you guys in this video. I'm already in this trade, so you guys know. Very quickly, let me prove this to you guys. Let me show this. I want to keep everything transparent. Here's my orders. Go to orders, go to filled orders. Here's ADA. I think it's like at the bottom, actually. Yeah, it's right here. ADA, I got in at $1. Pretty close to $1. Like it's $1. So I got in at $1 here, and $1 is basically like right there. So I and everybody else who took this trade with me when I called this out in the Telegram channel, I mean, we're up like 3%. Doesn't matter. Like we're hardly up anything. I'll show you guys how to get in this trade. Coming over here, I want to look at smart money over here. Wells Institutions and smart money. What they've been doing here is doing nothing but acquiring long trades. Guys, if we came out here and I saw this right here, right now, I would not be bullish. To be completely frank with you guys, like I would be taking my money out and I would be selling my long positions. It's not happening though. Heck no, no way. Like they are buying this. They are buying smart money, Wells Institutions. They are buying this up right now. They did this last time and they skyrocketed ADA 50%. Guys, do you understand if we go to structure high here, we're making more than 50%? Like some of you guys like are watching this, you're like, man, like I'm not your financial advisor on this next comment I'm about to make, but some of you guys have money in other coins, and I'd be like, man, I would probably take some out if you're not in 80 and put it over here. Guys, it's about 60% profit, 59.5% profit we could be hitting here, just structure high. I may throw this in the thumbnail and say 60%, and if I say that, that's not an over prediction. Guys, the structure high is up here at $3. Like, and then we could head up to a 50% retracement, which is over here at like, you know, what's 50% retracement? Close to like 128%. Guys, a 60% move on ADA is absolutely reasonable by the end of February. Okay, don't believe that? Let me give you more data. Let's take a look at the price range of how long it took us to go from there to go to here. It took us 7 days. Guys, 7 days. Those of you guys who are skeptical, you're like, okay, let's 8 days. All right, 8 days. 8 days, we jumped 50%. Easily, in the month of February, you guys could make 60% on your money. 60%. Oh, man, like if you guys aren't in ADA right now, I don't know what you're doing. I'm sorry, guys. Like ADA right now is the best coin trade setup I can find. Seriously, I'm going to write it down. It's literally within the month of February, you could see a 60% gain on this trade. If we see the ADA go up there, this account is easily going to go up probably another $10,000 because ADA has just a ridiculous amount of money in it, okay? So let's keep going here. As far as resistances, obviously we're talking about, you know, the resistance up here. What is a short-term resistance we could hit that's very reasonable? What I showed you guys is reasonable, absolutely. But what's another reasonable resistance? I would say right around this area here. It's going to be this area of like 121. I'd say like 121 to 125. It's also the quarters theory level. So let's look at 125 real quick. 125 puts us right around this level. Okay, right around these structures here. Let's just say you guys get into the market today. I'll show you guys how to take a trade setup, and you guys get in and we just go to 125. Let's not do something big. Let's go to 125. Okay, would you guys be happy if you just made 21% on your money? Like that, like who's not happy with that? Like everybody, right? Okay, let's move down here. Dollar cost average interest. I don't want to beat it like a dead horse, but like guys, ADA is a crazy buy. Like if you're not in ADA, you're going to miss out. I'm not just like, no, I am. I changed my mind. I am going to FOMO a little bit on this for you guys because you know what? There's too many people out here in this market telling you guys to do these stupid things. If I can be just straight honest over here, they're telling you guys to FOMO in when the price is going up. That's dumb. Don't FOMO on a price going up. Everything drops back down. Everything drops back down. Everything drops back down. What you need to do if you're going to FOMO is FOMO into the discount. Guys, the wealthy people out there are just going to keep getting wealthy. They know how to buy the discount. Institutions know how to buy this. And I'm showing you guys now, the reason why you're losing trades in the market is because you're emotional. When you're greedy and you're getting very excited in the market, institutions are shorting you guys out and you're losing all your money. Right now is the time to be buying with the smart money Wells institutions. That's what we do, guys. That's why we have the highest win rate on all of YouTube. And you guys get access to all these metrics yourself to trade like this, okay? Take a look at exit points in here. Crazy big red bar that came out. So next time we see this shot up here, we're going to be looking for this move back down and when we get a red bar. So make sure you guys are watching that. Okay, let me get you guys trading with us because this is where you guys can make some money. Okay, our pricing is the cheapest pricing. Guys, we have traders doing hundreds of thousands, literally hundreds of thousands, tens of thousands of dollars, and our membership is too cheap. So we're going to up the price. February 25th, this next month. Literally, you guys have 26 days. Oh my gosh, when I put it like that, it seems like crazy. I've been talking about this, I think, for like 6 or 7 months that we're going to be upping this, and it's officially going up. This is something you guys really want to get into at $49 a month. This will give you access to every single one of the buy limits that I'm taking. It's going to give you access to the Telegram channel, which is where I take all of my exits that you can copy. You can copy all the exits, okay? This is actually crazy. We have more views on this than we actually have subscribers. That's really crazy. So, okay, all the exits you guys are going to be getting in the Telegram channel with this membership. All of the live trade metrics you guys are going to get with this. You're also going to get all of the trade setups, such as I'm going to show you Bitcoin today. And then you guys are going to get access into the inner circle where you guys are going to be learning masterclass level training. And I want you guys to come over here and watch this. You know, that's just of me. And I want you to watch this masterclass today once you guys sign up or if you have not. This will show you how to make more money. Seriously, if you use this equator approach on the trade setups you're going to take with our trade setups, and I'll show that to you guys, you will make more money. You cannot not make more money if you just use this, but you need to understand how to use it correctly, and I'll show you guys how to do that because I entered $14,000 in last week, and I showed you that. With your membership, this is also going to give you guys a ticket into our Zoom calls that we do. We're going to try to do about 1 Zoom call a month. Maybe we can push it to 2 Zoom calls a month. We're going to get live on Zoom with you guys, and we're all going to be together as a family, and we're going to talk about the market, do an open Q&A session. Guys, what we have planned in March and the following of the year is going to be so much fun to be together. So get the membership before it goes up in price. I don't have any problems talking about this longer because I know the value you guys are going to get. Okay, trade setups. Let's teach you guys into trade setups. Let's get you guys making some money. All right, Ethereum is right here. I'm going to show you guys how to do this on Bitcoin, so follow along here, okay? 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, all of our metrics are going to update. So yeah, I want you guys to look at this chart right here, and I'm going to read out how we trade this. Follow this. Choose the amount to enter this trade with. Let's say it's $1,000. You choose the amount, okay? Split the amount that you're choosing, $1,000, into 4 equal portions, $250. Simple enough. Place $250 at each of the 4 buy limits in yellow. Buy limit, buy limit, buy limit. $250 at each buy limit. Once your first buy limit gets hit, set up the sell limit in green for a 100% exit in your exchange. That's it, guys. That's all you're doing. Now, the question is, well, this is pretty high up here. Yes, and that's why you guys have the Telegram channel, because I'm going to be calling exits for these trades, most likely before we get to the exit point. So sign up on your phone or your computer first on a personal Telegram account. Click the Telegram channel link right here, and that will give you guys access into the Telegram channel. Now, the indicators we're using over here are what you guys need to call exits over here by yourself and with me, okay? Let's take a look at this. The indicators are 82% off on the bundle pack. What I showed you guys over here with this explosion over here that could be happening, this thing could explode like crazy, guys. Make sure you have some money in the market, okay? When I'm showing you guys that, you can take advantage of all these indicators of how we're winning 102 for 102 trades. These are 3 that you guys need right now. It's the price risk while money flow, trend dashboard, and trend exhaustion, and the pressure gauge. If you guys get these 3, these are 40% off right now. If you get the bundle pack, you're going to actually save yourself 40 to over double. You're going to save yourself 42% more. And it's not like this is really expensive, guys. Like, our indicators are really cheap. Like, we have the cheapest indicators, like for the highest win rate on YouTube. And actually, I believe we have the most accurate indicators on all of crypto. And we have the highest selling product on all of Gumroad for trading. Allofgumroad.com. Like, our prices are ridiculously cheap. This bundle pack is worth every single penny that you guys pay. Not only do you guys get all the 3 that you need, but you guys are also going to get the pressure gauge indicator, and you're going to get all of the other ones. You guys get 9 total indicators with the bundle pack. So make sure you guys get that today and sign up for that. This is definitely the best deal, and we are going to be raising the price of the bundle pack, so make sure you guys are snagging this, okay? Last but not least, guys, real quick, if you guys have purchased any individual indicators from us and you're looking at this today and you're like, whoa, that's a sweet deal. I want 82% off. Just email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com, and you guys can just simply get a PayPal invoice for the difference. You guys don't have to use, good news, you don't have to use a paid TradingView account to use our indicators. The 3 that I use can actually be used on a free TradingView account, okay? So I just want to point that out, guys. All the indicators are a one-time purchase. They are not a monthly purchase. It is a one-time purchase, and you get the source codes to them as well, which nobody's doing, okay? So guys, wrapping up this video, 60% pump in the month of February is not unrealistic, guys. Not at all. I think I have like I have a lot of money. Like, let's just calculate this real quick. So, like, those of you guys who are following me, ADA, there's like $16,000 over here. If this goes up 60%, obviously it's not bought all at that lower level, right? So let's say we have about 10,000 at that lower level, because we actually do have close to 10,000. So if that goes up in February, I could be making $6,000 just on ADA. If the market goes up that much, guys, we're going to do tens of thousands of dollars on this account. Tens of thousands in the next month. Because I know some of you guys work at, like Costco. I used to work at Costco. You guys are working and some of you guys are making, $2,000, $3,000 a month. And please hear me out on this. I'm not trying to be like, yes, I have a higher account than most people, $150,000. Not everyone has that. But guys, scale it down. Put $100 in, put $1,000 in. 60% on any trade is ridiculous. And I do believe ADA has that potential. Now, I don't want to just put us all in the pump. Can I just show you guys something else really quickly? Because here's something that I want to end this video with. You guys know that on Coinbase, that it stops here at 1. A lot of people see it stopping at 1. I need to come over here and I want to show this to you guys. ADA, USD, and I want us to look at this on Binance because a lot of people don't see this. There is a lot of structure moves to the downside that could be possible. So I want to just be transparent here. What a lot of people look at for ADA is that they look at this structure here and it's the $1 almost becomes the 0 point, which, sometimes, a lot of times it is, okay? But we still have this area where we could honestly, guys, head down here further and we could start hitting these supports here, which is down here at around this level, about 76 cents. And it is possible to hit support over here of about 40 cents. So I want to keep this channel honest and transparent with you guys. I'm not just coming here and saying, pump, 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 pump. Like, this could be due for a move back up. Like, actually, oh my gosh. Sorry, I'm like... I'm showing you guys both sides, but then I'm like looking over here and I'm like, oh my gosh, the price versus well money flow and the trend exhaustion is like at the bottom here. What happened last time we got here was a 50% pump. This is another correlation to a pump in the market. Look at where it happened over here. Trend exhaustion is low and well money flow is low. That's where we got a pump. Guys, I'm like trying to almost talk myself out of it a little bit, but like the more I look at this, it's like, oh my gosh, like I'm glad I have money in ADA because this thing is gonna rip here. Like this thing could just get crazy within the next few days. This pressure that's building right now with traders going long and short, if this thing breaks up here, oh my gosh, guys, this thing is gonna blast off and it's gonna go super fast. So guys, I'll end this video here. Make sure you get our bundle pack of indicators so you can watch this. Watch that pressure gauge. Making sure you guys are watching this because here's the thing. The next time the trend exhaustion pushes up here to the top section and the well money flow pushes up here as well, because I've shown you guys in the beginning of how well that's called the drop, you guys may want to look to take some profit on this long trade and get out of the market and then actually reinvest on the dip back down. Because like I said, if this comes back up here to the top section up here and the trend exhaustion comes to the top section, you could be looking at like 20 to 25% profit on that trade. And then all you guys have to do is just reinvest back down on the dip and then buy back in again, okay? So guys, make sure everything you guys want to get, it's in the description. I know I said that kind of weird, but indicators are in the description. The membership, make sure you guys snag that before that goes up in price. Again, that's $49 a month, and it will be going up February 25th this next month in 26 days, it's going to $95. Whoo, it's going up, guys. So make sure you guys secure it in there. And God bless you, and I will see you guys in the next video. ADA is an incredible entry, and I'll keep you guys updated. All right, I'll see you guys later. Have a good one. Everything you need is in the description. Bye, guys.